Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what is the maximum amount for Splitit? Now, if you've been using the Splitit feature and you're wondering what is the maximum amount, or you want to use the Splitit, which is a simple monthly payment plan, but it's kind of different, you see. Unlike some buy now pay later services that might have fixed maximum spending limits, Splitit approach is a bit different, because there isn't a universal maximum purchase amount set by Splitit for all users and all merchants. Instead, the maximum amount you can spend with Splitit is primarily determined by two key factors. Number one, your available credit. Since Splitit uses your existing credit card, that's right, it uses your existing credit card, the main constraint is the amount of available credit you have on that card. When you make a purchase with Splitit, they place a hold, as an authorization, on your credit card for the full purchase amount. This reduces your available credit by that amount for the duration of your payment plan. As you make installment payments, the hold reduces. So if you have a credit limit of, let's say, $5,000 and want to buy something for $4,000 using Splitit, you will need to have at least $4,000 in available credit at the time of purchase, because for the transaction to go through actually. Next, what Splitit doesn't always impose a strict maximum. Individual merchants who offer Splitit as a payment option can set their own maximum order values for Splitit transactions. This might be due to their own risk management policy or the type of products they sell. Now, they generally do not advertise a specific maximum or minimum purchase size, and they emphasize that customers can leverage their existing credit card balance to make a purchase. So for merchants, a default maximum order value of $10,000 is sometimes mentioned, but they also indicate that other options are available upon contact, suggesting this can be flexible. Splitit has noted instances of being used for high-value items, including transactions of about $8,000 and above. Now, they highlight that their average order value is over $1,000, which is higher than some other buy now, pay later options or services that often have lower purchase limits. So, in practical terms, for smaller purchases, as long as you have enough available credit to cover the full amount, you should be able to use Splitit while participating merchants. But for larger purchases, you need to ensure your credit card has a sufficient available balance. It's also worth checking if the specific retailer you're buying from has any stated maximum for Splitit transaction on their website or at checkout. Therefore, instead of a fixed Splitit maximum, think of it as being limited by your credit card's available credit and any potential limit set by the specific store you are shopping at. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.